Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a device with Android 13 and let me share with you how to remove credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's find the security right here. Now we have to scroll down in order to find the advanced settings and here we've got encryption and credentials. Let's enter. As you can see, almost at the very bottom we've got the option clear credentials and this is the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so just confirm it by tapping on OK. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. Be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, probably your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. What's more, right now you can see that this option is inactive, which simply means that we just successfully removed the certificates. So actually that's all. This is how to clear credentials in Android 13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.